If you're shopping for a laptop on a budget, you can find some great options for under $500. Many laptops in this price range are available with the same CPUs that we see in more premium models, but they compromise on a few features to bring the price down. The recommendations in this video consist mainly of productivity and media consumption devices like Chromebooks and Windows laptops, because gaming laptops and Apple MacBooks are typically much more expensive. Number 5. Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook 13-inch. If you want a cheap laptop that's enjoyable to use, we recommend the Lenovo Flex 5i Chromebook 13 inches over any similarly priced Windows laptop. The Flex 5i is an exceptional Chromebook. It offers fast performance, it has an excellent keyboard and trackpad, it is compact and light, and its 1080 touchscreen is vivid and bright. This Chromebook is faster than Windows laptops at the tasks most people use laptops for, including browsing the web, even with a ton of tabs open, making video calls, working on documents and spreadsheets, and watching movies. And the Flex 5i is much more portable than cheap Windows options and free of the bloatware that slows them down. Number 4. Microsoft Surface Go 3. If you're looking for something compact that you can use for media consumption or web browsing on the go, get the Microsoft Surface Go 3 2021. It's essentially a mini Microsoft Surface Pro, a 2-in-1 Windows tablet with a built-in kickstand and a detachable type cover keyboard. You'd have to buy the keyboard separately, but it's worth it, as it's a pretty good keyboard, and it helps protect the display from scratches. The display is a 10.5-inch IPS panel that looks very sharp and gets bright enough for use in most settings. The thick bezels around it look outdated. However, they provide a place to hold the device when using it as a tablet and house an excellent 1080p webcam. There's also an IR camera, meaning you can log in via Windows Hello. The Intel Pentium Gold model with 4 GB of memory is fine for simple web browsing, emails, and video playback, but don't expect to edit a fork video or play games. The battery lasts about 7 hours of light productivity or a little over 3 hours of video playback, so you'll likely need to keep the charger close by. Number 3. ASUS Chromebook Flip C 536. If you want a larger screen and a number pad, we recommend the ASUS Chromebook Flip C 536. Its vibrant 15.6-inch touchscreen provides more room to get work done or enjoy media, and the number pad is useful if you input a lot of data. The Flip C 536 backlit keys and extra-wide trackpad feels satisfying and responsive, but even though the C536 will last a long time away from an outlet, it's too large and heavy to carry around on a regular basis. Number 2. Samsung Chromebook 4. If you're looking for a ridiculously cheap Chromebook, you won't find anything better than the Samsung Chromebook 4, $229. It survived a whole 10 hours and 36 minutes against our battery test, making it the best laptop under $500 with the longest battery life. With curved edges and a silver hue, the Samsung Chromebook 4 looks a lot like the many MacBook copycats we've seen over the years. Its aluminum top feels a little nicer than I expected, but the laptop's price shows in the plastic body. The Intel Celeron 3000 processor and 4 GB of RAM driving the Samsung Chromebook 4 provides decent power for multitasking, especially at this price. This machine is best for people who really only need to use a laptop to type, especially because it has a good keyboard, but also the screen and audio aren't up to par. But thanks to how light it is and its decent performance, it's a solid ultra-portable laptop. Number 1. ASUS VivoBook 15 F515EA. If you want a Windows laptop with a large 15-inch screen, we recommend the ASUS VivoBook 15 F515EA, either the F515EA 34 or F515EA OS 33 model. Both versions have our recommended specs and will be fast enough for most people's computer needs for years to come. And the F515EA's 1080p screen, its backlit keyboard, and its trackpad are about as good as those of our other picks. This VivoBook also has a reliable fingerprint reader in the upper right corner of the trackpad, and it has one USB-C port, though it can't be used for charging.